everyone, I'm going to show you how to export ChatGPT chat history. So to start, open chatgpt.com and sign in to your ChatGPT account. Then from here on the left side, click your profile, then go to settings. Next on the left side, look for data controls and select that. Under data controls, go ahead and select export data. So click on export. So it says here your account details and chats will be included in the export and they will send you an email. So the download link will expire 24 hours after you receive it and it may take some time, but you'll be notified when it's done. So to proceed, click confirm export. So click on confirm export and just wait for it to process. So ChatGPT will send you a notification to your devices. Open ChatGPT app on any of those devices and just select yes, it's me on your device and it will process the request after that. So once done, go to your email and you'll receive an email from ChatGPT with a download link. So usually within a few minutes, though it can sometimes take longer. So the export file is typically a zip archive containing your conversations and account data in formats such as HTML and JSON. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.